Hey y'all, so this is Shanice. I know that sometimes I'm like super animated, really funny, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I am going to be talking about a topic where I have to be very specific and my personality might not show through as much, but I'm going to try to give y'all what I can, okay? So just sit back, relax, and let's learn some color theory. Color theory should be simple and easy to remember. My focus for this video is to teach you color theory in the most simplest way in under 10 minutes. So let's see if I can do it. Think of color theory as a user's manual for color. It helps you understand what colors to mix, what colors not to mix, and what colors will help another color stand out or complement it. Color theory is divided into three categories: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary colors are colors that cannot be created by combining other colors, and all other colors come from them. These colors are red, blue, and yellow. Think of these as the three greatest of all time, like Michael, Kobe, and LeBron, and how you rank them, that's your business. Secondary colors come from mixing equal parts of primary colors to create a new color. These colors are orange, green, and violet. So a fun fact about secondary colors is that when you're looking at a color wheel, they are directly across from a primary color. The primary color that a secondary color is across from is called its complementary color. When a primary and the secondary color that is directly across from it is mixed together, it will create a brown shade, meaning that it cancels the other out, making the color neutral. Tertiary colors are basically the colors that you see in between the primary and secondary colors on the color wheel. So, for example, red violet, red orange, yellow green, and blue violet. When we discuss color, we often use terms like hue, shade, and tint without even realizing it. Hue is another word for color. The hue of a color is when the color is at its purest without adding anything to lighten or darken it. When adding any amount of white to a color, you're creating a tint. For example, when you add white to red, you get a lighter shade of red. The more white you add, the lighter the red will get. A pale red shade to us is considered pastel red. The tone of the color is when you add gray to a color. Adding gray to a color tones the color down, making it more neutral. The shade of a color is when you add black to a color. Adding black to a color creates darker versions of that color. So remember, tint adds light, tone tones down, and black creates shade. This basically wraps up color theory in a nutshell. And if you ask yourself, is that it? The answer is yes, that is it. Color theory is definitely a more tedious thing than what I described in this very short video. But I believe that when the topic is very layered, it should be taught in a very easy way and then built upon after that, so it's easier to comprehend and apply in an everyday life situation. For my next few videos, I'll be discussing color theory in makeup and in hair color. If you want to learn more, please stay connected and subscribe so you won't miss my next video. And please remember that it's you that makes you beautiful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.